Now, when title holders Cavalier and the nation's #1 ranked team Mount Pleasant FA meet on Friday in the Wray Nephew Jamaica Premier League final, there must be a favourite for the title. However, Cavaliers coach Rudolph Speed did not think twice when the question was put to him following his team's semi-final win over Arnett Gardens on Sunday.
There are many ways to look at who should wear the favourite stag heading into Friday's championship decider. But one thing's for sure, neither challenger Mount Pleasant FA nor defending champions Cavalier want to go anywhere near such a tag. In 4 meetings this season in all competitions, Cavalier have won twice, with Mount Pleasant winning just once. If you flip the pages of the history book further, it would read 24 meetings between the two teams, with Cavalier having an outstanding 11 wins, while Mount Pleasant had 5, with 8 games ending in a tie. However, Cavaliers coach Rudolph Speed says what Mount Pleasant did this season could see them tilting the scale in their favour.
Mount Pleasant would have searched wide and far and bought all the best players they could find in Jamaica and the Caribbean. They would have spent millions and millions of dollars. They would have bought the best money can buy in terms of equipment, coaches, everything, everything. So they even import players from people from England to help them manage the affairs of the company. So definitely you know that Mount Pleasant most goal, least scored, least goal conceded, 93 points. Oh, they are the favourites.
2 of those players who Mount Pleasant brought in from overseas were the focus of an alleged ineligibility rule breach, but the St. Anne-based team was cleared. That complaint was made by Speed.
We saw something that was wrong and we reported it. We still think it is wrong. We don't think those 2 players should be playing in our league. That is our stance. The JFF did not rule on it. So anybody want to keep that as a grudge, we don't care. This is not the first team who have ever appealed anything on another team. This is a regular thing. It happens every single year. So you have some media who want to make a big deal out of it. Go ahead and make a big deal. We don't care. We're not focused on that. We know that come Friday, strictly business.
In the last 4 seasons, Cavalier have won the Premier League twice while lifting the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup last year, an achievement which cannot be put down to chance.
Some people still think so. Let them continue to believe like that. I'm fine with that.
Finals generally come with pressure, but try not to mention that to Speed.
You ever see me look like me under pressure yet?
The big final showdown will take place on Friday at the National Stadium starting at 7 p.m. Garfield Jones for TVJ Sports.